Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to unencrypt PDF files using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is incredibly useful when you need to remove password protection from a document that you have legitimate access to, making it easier to share or edit without repeatedly entering passwords. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the correct account that has access to the files you need to work with. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main interface where you can access all your recent documents and tools. Next, navigate to Recent Files. This section displays all the PDF documents you've worked with lately, making it quick to find what you need. From this list, select the PDF file you want to unencrypt. When you click on it, you'll be prompted to enter the password for this encrypted document. Go ahead and type in the password, then click OK. This step verifies that you have the authorization to make changes to the document's security settings. Once the file opens, direct your attention to the upper left toolbar. Here, click on Menu. This will reveal a drop-down with various options for managing your document. From this menu, select Protection. The Protection option gives you access to all the security and encryption features available in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Within the Protection menu, click on Security Properties. This opens a dialog box that displays all the current security settings applied to your PDF, including encryption methods and permission restrictions. This is where you'll make the crucial changes to remove the encryption. Now navigate to Security Method. You'll see a drop-down menu beside it that currently shows the encryption type applied to your document. Click on this drop-down menu, and from the list of options, select No Security. This action tells Adobe Acrobat that you want to completely remove all encryption and password protection from this file. After selecting No Security, a confirmation dialog will appear. Click OK to confirm your choice. You may see another confirmation prompt, so go ahead and click OK again. These confirmation steps ensure that you're intentionally removing the security features and understand the implications. Finally, in the upper right corner of the screen, click the Save button. This saves your changes and creates an unencrypted version of your PDF file. The document is now accessible without requiring a password, making it easier to share and work with. And there you have it. You've successfully removed encryption from your PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.